Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. President of the Business Process Industry Association of Jamaica, BPIAJ, Gloria Henry, is today defending the move towards robotics. She says, contrary to popular belief, robotics aren't being introduced to completely replace a human workforce.
It is argued that robotic process automation and machine learning will create challenges and perhaps even make redundant some positions within the sector. And so we want to show that already some of our existing players are working with these technologies and programmable devices and systems, and that there are ways that we can leverage the capabilities of these types of services.
Mrs. Henry stressed that there is still a place for human soft skills in the industry.
We want people who are adaptable and creative and who can work in this highly knowledge-centric environment, technology and knowledge-centric environment. Because the soft skills are still going to be needed. I mean, there are some people who still prefer to do business with a human being.
In the meantime, she says the BPIAJ is consistently upgrading its training program so that its workers remain ahead of the technology.
We are diversifying the training portfolio to enable our young people to transition, because we have been at the back end of a technology shift in this sector before when we were a garment, and so we are more proactive this time, and we have shifted significantly over the years. We weren't where we are now. It was not where we started.
We go down to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $127.28. The Canadian dollar closed at $97.20. The pound is now being sold for $167.06, while the euro closed the day at $146.85. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in April went down by 1 cent to settle at $56.41 a barrel. On the stock markets, the JSE index gained 523 points today, while the junior market index declined by 26 points. Stocks posting gains include Radio Jamaica, Siboney Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, JMMB Group, and Lasco Financial Services. Now, on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital, JMMB Group 7.5%, AMG Packaging and Paper, Epley, and Access Financial Services. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.